Took a few turns wrong, had to find my name. Now I lean into the curve, ain't nobody to blame. Exclusive brown on the tank, leather on my back. She pull up on a Harley and the whole night turn black. Hands on the grip, mind on release. We don't need the noise, we just ride for peace. Chrome on the sleeve, heart on mine. She say keep it moving, leave the hurt behind. Cut the talk, let it breathe. Bass in the chest so we can see. She lean close, say stay true. I let the road say what I can't do. Exclusive brown, ride with me, Harley by the sea. Exclusive brown, ride with me, we gon' let it be. Peace in the wind, clear in the dark. Exclusive brown, ride with me, right from the start. She like the power, I like the calm. More muscle in the frame, less weight in the harm. Mask in the glide, soft in the stare. Every mile we take feels like prayer. Tank full of hope, night full of heat. We don't chase a crowd, just the pulse of the street. She laughs at the red light, says go on baby. I hear freedom in her voice, clean and crazy. Got guitar, let it breathe. Bass in the chest so we say stay true. I let the road say what I can't do. Exclusive brown, ride with me, Harley by the sea. Exclusive brown, ride with me, we gon' let it be. Peace in the wind, clear in the dark. Exclusive brown, ride with me, right from the start. Yeah, yeah. If the world get loud, we can slip away. One lane open till the break of day. No heavy chains, no old rules, just me and you Exhale.